All right. What is going on today, guys? I want to talk to you about how I made $35,276 in email revenue in the last 19 days and another $53,637 from my Instagram bio. Now, right here alone is $89,000 alone in just organic. And I want to show you how I did it and how I'm tracking it. Now, this is called Hyros. I know more of you want to be, more infatuated with the email side. So I'm going to open up my ESP right now, which is Active Campaign. And within Active Campaign, we have many automations and flows for email. Now, keep in mind, this is only like new people. This is not people that I scooped up that already made money, which is most of these people. So I have a automation that does a main welcome sequence. So everybody who subscribes to my list goes into a main welcome sequence. So right now there's 512 people currently in it. And this is 7 emails, 1 email a day for 7 straight days, where I introduce them to my ecosystem. I give them value. I give them tips. I give them tricks, right? I send them to my YouTube channel, because one thing you guys have to realize is like YouTube is a huge money maker. If you're not sending people to your YouTube channel, you basically are just giving up money and you hate money. YouTube, for some reason, converts people at a very higher rate. Obviously, I know why the reason. It's because it's just higher quality videos, long form. People are so used to short form, but if you're able to talk to them for a longer period of time, it's easier to convert clients at will. On top of that, we also pump out 1 campaign a day. So, some of these campaigns here, these are scheduled. So this got sent to 21,000 people. If we view the report, okay, I'm getting a 19% open rate. These are also privacy open. So these are combined, right? Click-through rate is 24. Like, I don't get a crazy amount of clicks because we're looking for a certain business owner. Sometimes we have higher clicks than others. Just really depends. So like this one got 24% opens, 10 clicks. Like, it just really depends. Having a campaign every single day in front of your audience, on top of that, having automations and flows for where they drop off or fall off, are going to be massively important for you to actually grow the list massively. I have over 38,000 emails, 21,435 are actually active who have opened emails, clicked links, etc. Either they're also buyers too, because if they buy something, they're going to open the confirmation there. But I want to just kind of show you my ecosystem on like how we generate money through email, because a lot of people always say to me, well, I want to run Email Wojo, but I don't want to email my customers too much. That is a fallacy. That is a complete lie. They do not care about being emailed too much. If they do, they're not going to buy anything anyway. So who really cares? But Wojo, what if they unsubscribe? What do I do? Good. It helps you increase your open rates, because that person who was annoyed unsubscribed. There's more room for growth. Higher open rates, better deliverability. Overall, you make more money with email. I just want to show you this because one of our core values here is always radical transparency. I love to show people my numbers and like what we're doing. As far as the Instagram bio, a big thing that people don't realize, with the amount of traffic we drive from ads, we put the same link from our ads in my Instagram bio, because you want to keep that congruency. And I'm able to track it because the thing at the end of the link here, it's tracked by Hyros. So I put the same exact link, because if they click on an ad and they're going to your profile, checking out your stuff, the last thing you want to deal with is them not knowing where to go. So you always want to have that same link again. Don't use link trees. Don't use all this other junk where you put like 5 freaking links on one page. Confused people do not buy. Confused people do not take action. So centralize your idea behind ad and the same link in the actual bio. So those are a couple things that I think that someone here could take from. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, with all the emails, all the things that we're doing, we book over 50 sales calls every single day. And this is just the stuff that we do for our clients as well. So if you're looking to be a prospective client, click the link in the description. You can book a free demo call with us, or you can just go to my Instagram and click this link right here, or it's down below and it's tracked with a YouTube tag. So I hope to see you guys on your demo call. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.